Good job. Where's Nolan? Where is he? Oh, terrible. Okay, where is he? Come on, Nolan, play with me. Throw the ball. Good job. Throw it down. Where's Nolan? Where's Nolan? There it is! Oh, the ball's stuck. What are we going to do? All right, I'll get it. Where's Nolan? Hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi, Nolan. What are you doing? What are you doing, Nolan?
Hi.
Hi. Did you bonk your head?
Hi.
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 Where's Nolly? My cute boy. Aw. Yes, we hold the rail. What's on your shirt, Nolan? What is that? Who is on? What is that? Is that a pig? Is there a pig on your shirt? Is that a dinosaur? Can you say dino? All right. Come show us how you walk down the stairs. What a big boy you are. Come here, Nolly. Good job, Nolan. Yay, Nolan. High five. Good job. All right. Last step. Good job.